Hey y'all, Val here. Welcome back to my fit vlog. If you have not been following along, welcome. If you have, thank you so much for following along. I would like to update y'all since my previous videos, when I was carrying my daughter, I was working out till about 7 months. Then it got too risky, and I felt it was more important to put that priority aside and be able to carry my daughter. Since I've had our daughter, I got the release to work out after 6 weeks post. Started back into the groove of things, reintroducing my body to different movements and so forth. Pretty much overall reconditioning. Also, in the same year, we actually had to uproot and relocate due to work purposes. That was a transition as well. So that's where we're at. So much has been going on. And I just would like to let y'all know I am trying to also get back into this group of things to continue to provide all the different little fit tips that I come across in my research, or nice little healthy recipes and substitutions to try in case you have tried many things and those aren't working. You may find some more maybe along with what I have shared, the material and content I have found to provide for you. So stay tuned, stick with me. I'm going to stick this out. I have this year been fully focused pretty much since the beginning of the year and have completed my phase 1 with 100% eating clean and sticking to about a 3 to 4 day routine. I pretty much have been able to keep up with that more this year in the beginning than I did last year. Last year it was a bit more challenging and still was in the works of trying to find that balance. Also grow, not just spiritually but mentally. Thank y'all for following along and watching if y'all have. Until next time, I shall see y'all then.